Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to convert a Facebook profile page into classic page. It's really simple, so let's get started. We open Facebook app. Here you can see that this is the Facebook profile page experience. So to switch it back, we just tap on the profile picture at the top. Right, now we scroll down. Here we select Help and Support and report a problem. Now we tap on OK. Now we open our profile, our Facebook profile page again and just shake our phone. So here we report a technical problem. We tap on report. We include in a report, so the Facebook will have all the information about our device account and relevant information about the report. Here just tap something like, how can I convert my page to classic page experience, and send. You will receive an answer within few days. Just remember that this is the new page experience, so right now maybe you can change it back to normal, but in a few months probably this isn't gonna be an option.